This video, it's going to be about some workshop tips I had posted way back in the 1990s, late 90s, early 2000s, from when I used to subscribe to Popular Woodworking magazine. I had 5 of my tips that were published, and these are 5 of those tips plus another one that I added. And at the end of some of the pictures of the articles that were posted, there's some photographs of why I made it, and you can see how it was used. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. I needed to make 20 segments for the spire on this spiral staircase that I made. By clamping a handrail to the front of my router table, I was able to make my raised panels for my entertainment center on a small router table without having to make it larger. This tip, I needed a temporary zero clearance bevel ripping insert on my table saw for making the crown molding on my entertainment center. Here's a few pictures of my old Craftsman lathe, a 12-inch by 36-inch beginner's lathe, I would call it. The first one has the hood removed, and the second one is a front view with the dust hood on it, and the third one is a back view that has an adjustable leg system for the depth of sanding. And this was 24 inches wide, but it has to be sled. The workpiece has to be fed from the back forward.